Knife heads, welcome to the BEK show. Today, I'm here to get me a fish dinner. Me and the little woman. I just figured I'd go live. Well, I'm not live. I'll start filming a little bit, and look, you can see the tow mirrors now, baby. Oh yeah, got the tow mirrors out. You know what they say? If you ain't got tow mirrors, there's something bad wrong with you. Come on. Nah. No, I guess we can call this Truck Talk with Big E, episode Deuce 2. So I got something in today. I got super lucky. I had it where C. Cutlery texts me when a drop's about to happen. Pretty much every drop, my phone gets an alert. So I went on, they text me, I went on there. It said you had 10 minutes. Well, I was sitting there waiting and waiting. Well, my wife needed me to do something. So I spaced it. It just went straight out of my head. And it was probably about 30 minutes after the drop hit, I remembered what I was trying to do. And I jumped on there real quick. Everything was sold out. Everything was sold out in 30 minutes. I was like, what the crap? What am I supposed to do? Because I was really wanting this pocket knife. So, what I do? I went surfing. Internet surfing. Everything sold out everywhere. Everywhere. I hopped on the old Evil Bays. Huh? And I got lucky. There was a dealer on there, had one left. For cheaper than what C. Cutlery. It was cheaper than C. Cutlery. That's what I was trying to say. So I got lucky. I got it for probably about $15 cheaper than if I'd have got it on C. Cutlery. Now I was wanting this one. Well, I'm getting ready to show you. I was already wanting this one here. But truth be told, I was wanting one of them beaver tails. I've never had a beaver tail. Nothing. And I've always wanted a beaver tail one or one of the cow head ones. Or one of the rose ones. The yellow rose. Them three is the three I want so bad I can't stand it. And I can't never get lucky enough to find one nowhere. But I settled for this one, which I really didn't settle because I was wanting it anyways. But if I would have got to pick, I would have picked the beaver tail. But this one right here, it is the coat cutter. It's that blue denim McCarter. This thing is slick. I mean, it was flat slick. This is the very first one I've ever bought brand new. Which is funny to me because I was watching Clark's knife last night, and he said this was his very first one he's ever bought brand new. And we was both missed out on the beaver tails. But you guys already know I'm a blue person anyways. I'll take it. I was going to do an unboxing on this bad boy, but I couldn't hold off. I ripped that dang box open as soon as the mailman put it in my mailbox. Come on. This baby got brass pins, brass liners. It's got a single liner. It's like the dog head trapper style. If you guys seen that new Warncliffe mini trapper single blade, exact same knife. This one's in McCarter, just like that. Only thing's different, this one has got a spayblade, and that one has got a Warncliffe. I don't have that one on me, but tonight I'm going to put another clip in this video comparing them. This was pretty much like me just all happy and had to show you. I don't know how to reference this knife to another GEC because I only have 4 Gs. This is my 5th GEC, and all of them's been different, bigger, smaller. This one's like a mini trapper. So if you guys like mini trappers, you'll like this. And it's real slim. It's real slim. No blade rock. This is the coat cutter. Spayblade. I can't say that. To Kitio Cutlery on the tang stamp. It says GEC CAR. Okay, CAR stands for carbon. This is a 1095 knife, but it says 39. That's the model of this knife, of 39. 41, I can't remember what them's for, but I know now, thanks to HT, the 24, the last 2, is the year of it, which I knew that because they just dropped them last week. So it's 394124. This is the coat cutter. But I'm a case collector, case lover, case fanboy, whatever you want to call me. So I'm going to reference this to the mini trapper single blade. And I ain't held them both together yet, but I can about guarantee you guys they're the exact same, just different companies and a different blade shape. That's the only 2 difference. And one's a stainless steel knife and one's a carbon. But I really don't collect GECs. I'm starting to slowly get into them. But 90%, 98% of my stuff is case. Y'all know that. But it's good to try different brands, different companies. I like to share the love, you know what I'm saying? Come on. I'll help myself out, but I'll help all these companies out. If I like what they're doing, if I like anything, if they got a good business model and they're American made, or they're an American made company, but they might have to have help right now and get them out of America, I can still might help them out by trying them out, but I'm slowly working away. I've never been a China kind of guy, never really. But since I started the old channel here, the old BEK show, I've slowly started trying different makers, because I know y'all get tired of saying case, but I can't help it. I'm a case guy. So tonight, or it might be a different video down the road when all the hype's gone about this knife, because I'm sure more of you guys got them. I've been hearing about everybody getting the GEC, so I might wait until the hype dies down, then I'll compare them. But sure as I'm saying that, someone else will compare them. So I don't know. I guess they want to take my idea, they can take it. I don't care. We all can take each other's ideas and have a good time. That's why I'm in this, to have a good time. I don't get a whole lot of people that watches my long-term videos, my longer. I average around 100 to 150 per video. That's pretty good for me. But I get most of my stuff on the shorts. That's fun. I like doing the shorts. Just pull whatever's in my pocket and do a little 15-second short. That's fun to me. And it lets more people see your stuff, see what you're passionate about. And right now, I'm passionate about this coat. Coat cutter. I forgot the name of it. A mini trapper by GEC with the spayblade. You know, I figured a lot of people wouldn't have bought this because everybody hates the spayblade. But that's a spayblade, and I'm hearing a lot of people's bought them. So you can't hate them too bad if you're spending $180, not counting shipping, which I didn't. I spent $165, not counting shipping. So that's what I got this for. $165, counting shipping, $175. That's what a good knife's gonna run you. I can't say that, because I got a whole lot of good case knives for $50 to $80. I can't say that. This is just a higher quality, I guess you can say, because they don't make the quantity of case. But I didn't even show you guys. That baby's straight down Broadway. Yes, it is. Yes, sir. Boom, baby. Guys, I've been on here for 13 minutes and 50 seconds, just yakking my gums. I hope you guys enjoy this. Probably half of you probably won't even watch it to the finish. So I'm going to do what 865 did. Guys, tell me what is your favorite knife company and what is your favorite pickup truck. Come on. Y'all, good luck trying to get you one of these or the beaver tails. They was done gone 30 minutes after they come available. So, y'all, stay classy. You hear?